Hello everyone. This is MotiWave. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important topics in self-development, why discipline is more important than motivation. If you want to achieve success but are just waiting for inspiration, I have bad news for you. Motivation is an emotion, and emotions are unstable. That's why discipline is what actually leads to real results. What's the difference between motivation and discipline? Motivation is a surge of energy, a desire to take action. It often comes after watching an inspiring video or talking to a successful person. Discipline, on the other hand, is the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's a habit, not an emotion. Imagine you want to start running in the mornings. At first, you're excited about your new running gear and the idea of getting in shape. But after a week, you just feel lazy. This is where discipline comes in. You get up and go for a run because it's part of your system. Why is motivation unreliable? Motivation depends on external factors, the weather, your mood, your energy levels. When you're tired, motivation disappears. It's short-lived. After a day or two, the excitement fades. It creates the illusion of productivity. You can watch motivational videos every day but never take action. 6 simple steps to become more disciplined. Start small. Don't set massive goals right away. Begin with simple actions. Create a system. Plan your actions in advance and stick to a schedule. Eliminate unnecessary decisions. Decide what you'll do ahead of time to avoid overthinking. Build habits. Discipline is built through routine. Start with just one action per day. Track your progress. Keep a journal or checklist. Small wins keep you motivated. Use rewards and penalties. Punish yourself for skipping tasks and reward yourself for completing them. Discipline is true freedom. Many people think discipline is about restrictions. But in reality, it's freedom because you control your life. You make conscious choices instead of being ruled by emotions. Remember, motivation is just a spark. It won't lead you to success. Only discipline helps you reach your goals. Start with small steps, build a system, and don't wait for inspiration, just take action. See you in the next video.